welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to review the Face Shop sheet mask. Now Face Shop is a Korean company which has become very popular in India. It has a variety of products from moisturizer to toner to face wash and a lot of others. But what caught my attention was the sheet mask range. Now I've not used sheet mask because I am more of a DIY person, because usually I apply face masks which I can easily make at home. Now the sheet mask that the Face Shop offers are the natural one, the solution one and the BioCell one. So today I have the solution one which is for 150 and the natural one costs rupees 100 and the BioCell cost rupees 350. So today I have with me is the solution one. I have the Solutions Hydrating Face Mask. So the sheet masks from the solution range is especially for people with different skin problems. So the sheet masks range from vitamin C, brightening, pore clear, all the ingredient list at the back, and it is also paraben free, so I just cannot wait to try. Now this sheet mask is perfect for all the people out there whose skin feels lifeless and dull. In our busy schedule, I know we do not get enough time to have the amount of water which is required for our skin to look hydrated and plump, but then we are unable to do that. So a sheet mask like this comes in really handy because it gives your skin that boost of hydration and your skin feels like you have been drinking water since ages. Now I've seen people using these sheet masks especially when they have to go out or just half an hour before. But if you want to get the best result, I'll suggest that you can apply it before you go to sleep, because then the serum will nicely penetrate inside your skin and give the best results. So now I'll wash my face quickly and come back and apply this mask in front of you guys. So I have washed my face and now I'm going to open this packet right here. It is completely soaked with serum. So this is how the sheet looks, and I have to directly apply it to my face. Of the serum I'll apply it over my neck. Now I have to keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and I'll meet you after I take this off. So I kept this mask on for 20 to 25 minutes and now I'm gonna remove it. So this has a lot of serum in it, so if you want you can just massage it over your skin. So I have massaged all the serum in and this is how my face looks right now. It feels so hydrated and so glowy. I am absolutely loving it. To be honest, I did not really feel that it will show this much of effect in just one use, but I must say I feel my skin is so hydrated and so plumped up. Absolutely loving it. Now all in all, I really like this sheet mask. Like, it gives instant result. Your skin looks more hydrated and plumped. You can definitely use this face mask when you are in need of to get that hydrated and plumped look. But what I'll advise is increase your water intake. Although it seems like the results aren't quick, but then you need to be patient with that. And yeah, I really like this face mask. So yeah, if you like this video and if you want more such product reviews, let me know in the comment section below and I'll review it for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.